Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the read receipt on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. So go ahead and open AOL Mail on your browser and log into your account. Then go to Settings and click on More Settings. Now what you need to do is you can see the add option over here, so you can add send only email address. After you do that, go to the writing email and you can see that there are some things. You can see the confirm message, you should enable this as well, and go to viewing email and you can change it to inbox style from unified to inbox, and you can see the mark as read interval, so you can select this to immediately. After you do so, what you need to do is go to the search bar and search for add read receipt in AOL Mail and click on this link over here. So the first step is to download this app over here. After you download this app, you need to sign into your AOL Mail, run Mail Spring and choose IMAP and SMTP on the email setup screen. Enter the connection settings for your AOL account and click continue. So you can see the step 3 is to send emails. When composing an email in Mail Spring, check these icons in the composer to enable read receipts. So you can see that you can enable the read receipts. The first step is to download this app over here. After you download it, you can now add your AOL Mail to the system. After you do that, you can log into your account and then you can add the read receipt option. So you better go ahead and download this app, open it. So you can see that the MailSpring app is loading. Shortly after that it will open up. Go ahead and click get started, click next until this process is over. Now you can create your MailSpring ID, or you can just go ahead and log into your account if you don't have it. So you can click on skip if you want and go to this. Go ahead and write down your name over here and write down your AOL Mail ID. After you do so, go ahead and enter your password. After you do that, there will have access. You can see that it has already set up the access. So you can do continue, wait for a while. You can see that some errors have occurred. Now what you need to do is write down the containing container folder. So I have made some folders over here. I'll write down the folder name. Let me go ahead and check the folder name over here. So one of my folder names is this, so I'll go ahead and write it down. Click on connect account. So if it still doesn't work, you must allow the secure SSL and then click on add account once again. After this process will be completed. So you must make sure that your servers are also correct and your username are correct as well. So after that, you can add the read receipt on AOL. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.